thing I would like to know is because of this social media,
Yeah.
people are more driven today in a result-oriented system rather than a process-oriented. So your thoughts about that? Because what happens is generally any new person coming into, so he sees, suppose I ask you a call and you give a call and that comes right, then for me it is like if Prashant Shah has given a call and he's excellent. And the same call, if it goes wrong, then I think that even though the logic behind both the calls may be the same, but what happens is if that call goes and hits stop loss, then I have a feeling that this maybe it is, he's not that good at it, is what he is doing. So this is actually the current scenario. Whereas we understand that it should be a process driven, so at least you have a series of trades and in that. So your thoughts about that, because that is very crucial in a longer run.
Absolutely. So you know what, as so people are result oriented. That's, I believe, a core reason behind why a lot of people are not really successful in trading. That's there's a big gap between analysis and execution of analysis.
Yes.
No, so as we said, we all of us know that there's a difference between analyzing the charts and practically trading it. So for example, I see a chart, I put that there's a strong trend. I can easily, there's a hindsight also, I can easily find out indicators or anything which can easily identify that kind of a trend and all those things. But to be able to ride that trend is a different altogether a different thing. And those are the practical aspects of trading actually. So with this result oriented thing, as you rightly said, if you'll ask me some, so I would apply same logic to couple of to two stocks. I'll tell you one stock, it works, you'll say, oh, this man is great and point and figure really works, and the other guy will say, yeah, ye chalta hai. So this is about result oriented thought process. But in trading, what I figured out is what works is process oriented methods. In my books also and in my talks also, I keep on stressing on this important aspect, that your processes should be firm, in place. It is about business. Trading is also a business. You can't do any business, or you can't really make it successful unless you have a clear processes in place, right? The important thing about this stock market is there are no rules, right? I mean, any F1 or F2 is just a thought away. So that's that's very that's the problem, because you can't. I mean, your friend, you have a position in some stock. Your friend tells you that this is going to happen, or you go to some seminar and he tells you some negative news about it, and you'll go and exit that. So this is whatever comes in. Even if I sit from 9:30 to 3:30, so many thoughts will come. I mean, I will keep changing my positions in mind. I'll with every going uptake, I'll feel that market is good, and with downting, I'll start doubting my positions. So that's what happens to everybody. But we can't, change every trade every emotion or every thoughts. That's very important. So we have to have clear rules in place. The rules can be, they will keep, improving. With I still try to work on new systems. I still try to learn more things, new things, and make my systems better. So that's the endless process. But you have to have rules in place first of all. That's one. Then so even what happens for the beginners, actually, they must be knowing about these things. There should be, it's a saying that trade your plan your trade and trade your plan and things like that. But they don't take it very seriously. They say, okay, this is like a gyan. But with experience, you will realize that these are the most important things. First of all, you should have rules in place. You should learn discipline first of all. It is not about being having right system, good system or not. Systems you will have a lot of systems going further, but it is about learning discipline to be able to follow something. So usually I say this, take it as a 21-day challenge, to make it a kind of a trick. Write any trading plan which is very objective in nature, with every rule in place which you are comfortable with, the system that you understand, and trade it at least for 21 days. So, irrespective of the outcome. So that is how you learn discipline. First of all, you learn discipline, and then of course entry exits, which is, you have so many things, you will keep learning that.
Yeah, exactly.